If you love rich, creamy chocolate desserts that are easy to make, this fantasy fudge recipe is for you. In just a few simple steps, you'll create a smooth, foolproof homemade fudge that's perfect for holidays, gift-giving, or whenever a chocolate craving hits. This recipe works so well because it doesn't require a candy thermometer or advanced candy-making skills. With gentle heat and a few quality ingredients, you'll get a perfectly smooth texture with no grainy sugar crystals. Let's start with what you'll need. You'll need 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of sea salt. Optional add-ins include 1 cup of chopped nuts and half a cup of mini marshmallows, if you'd like to customize your fudge. To begin, place a medium saucepan over low heat. Add the 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and allow it to melt slowly, stirring gently to prevent burning. Once the butter has melted, add 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips to the pan. Stir continuously until the chocolate is fully melted and the mixture becomes smooth and glossy. Next, slowly pour in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Stir well until everything is fully combined and thick. Remove the saucepan from the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of sea salt, stirring until evenly mixed. If you're using optional mix-ins, now is the time to gently fold in 1 cup of chopped nuts or half a cup of mini marshmallows, making sure they're evenly distributed throughout the fudge. Line an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with parchment paper, leaving some overhang on the sides for easy removal. Pour the fudge mixture into the prepared dish and spread it evenly using a spatula. Place the dish in the refrigerator and chill for 2 to 3 hours, or until the fudge is completely set. Once firm, lift the fudge out of the pan using the parchment paper. Cut it into evenly sized squares using a sharp knife. Store your fantasy fudge in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. You can also freeze it for longer storage. Just wrap it tightly and thaw in the fridge before serving. This fantasy fudge is rich, creamy, and incredibly easy to make. It's perfect for dessert tables, holiday trays, or homemade gifts. And it's just as fun to customize as it is to enjoy. Be sure to check out this video for more.